The world is changed by your example, not your opinion. One small step can create a big impact on the world. The beauty of the world lies in its diversity. You don't inherit the world, you borrow it from the future. The world belongs to those who believe in their dreams. Change yourself and you change the world. A kind heart makes the world a better place. The world grows when you step out of fear. Your actions shape the world you live in. Peace in the world begins with peace within. Every smile adds light to the world. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. Great minds build a better world. The world moves with courage, not comfort. Dreams have the power to transform the world. The world listens to those who act. Hope keeps the world alive. The world needs your kindness more than your judgment. Hard work builds a strong world. The world is a mirror of your mindset. Love makes the world beautiful. The world belongs to the brave. Faith can move the world forward. The world changes through unity. Small efforts create big world changes. The world rewards persistence. Your voice can inspire the world. Respect builds a peaceful world. The world shines through good deeds. The world is built on hope and courage. Patience makes the world easier to live in. The world needs leaders, not followers. Ideas can reshape the world. The world belongs to the curious minds. One idea can change the entire world. The world is your playground of possibilities. Gratitude improves the world around you. The world needs dreamers and doers. Positivity spreads across the world quickly. The world grows with knowledge. Strong values make a strong world. The world needs more love than hate. Education empowers the world. The world listens to honesty. Creativity colors the world. The world evolves with innovation. Respect makes the world peaceful. The world is connected by humanity. Your courage shapes the world's future. The world changes when you take action. Every effort improves the world. The world is powered by dreams. Change is the rule of the world. The world needs unity more than division. Compassion strengthens the world. The world responds to hard work. Leadership guides the world. The world respects determination. Progress builds the world. The world belongs to thinkers. The world needs more problem solvers. One person can influence the world. The world improves through innovation. Belief creates a better world. The world is shaped by courage. Success inspires the world. The world is full of new beginnings. The world values consistency. Unity protects the world. The world grows through teamwork. Effort moves the world forward. The world needs visionaries. A strong mindset builds a strong world. The world changes through determination. Your mindset influences the world. The world becomes better with understanding. Innovation improves the world. The world belongs to achievers. Dedication shapes the world. The world needs solutions, not complaints. The world respects discipline. Its focus improves the world. The world changes with belief. The world thrives on unity. Responsibility protects the world. The world needs action. Respect builds global harmony. The world needs more inspiration. Vision creates a better world. The world grows through learning. Truth strengthens the world. The world needs brave hearts. Kindness heals the world. The world listens to sincerity. Effort shapes the future world. The world is built by teamwork. Courage improves the world. The world needs hope every day. Understanding unites the world. Your change can change the world.